All right, folks. Let me just configure this now. So your message is coming in. I have set up some moderation filters, so that should help things. Don't want anything bad read into the stream. What's up, Walter? I am about to activate that now. Hold on. All right, there you go. Let's switch the category that this video shows in. Might end up with less people popping on, but that's okay. I want to get more people that might be interested in this, so we'll give that a go for a little while. Yeah, I hear that. Type move down or move up. I added a little banner though, so anyone that's happens to stumble into this tonight, if they're up late, they know what it is. It's live chat. And the main thing tonight is just to reduce the amount of requests that have been made to the YouTube API. YouTube only allows 10,000 requests per day, and quickly run into that. What's up, John Hip? What do you need? One more subscriber? I'll give you a sub. All right, there you go, buddy. You should be at 50. Awesome. What's up, DJ? This code is a plugin I wrote that basically integrates my game into the YouTube live chat. So that's why your message has been read out. Problem with my code here is it's making too many requests. Like I keep asking for the YouTube live ID. I should only do that once. So just go hop on before bed, quickly fix that. I've been meaning to do that. What do you mean? All right, so there's basically two files I'm working in tonight. It's JavaScript and Node.js, and one of them is like a library. I just wrote some generic functions to tie into the live chat. Another one actually makes an instance of it and then processes input, controls your character. So we'll be working on both tonight. This function right here, this is what implements the commands that you could do. So if you've got any ideas for any simple commands that I could add, feel free to let me know. You can move, dance, jump, stuff like that. I have to hook up the animation for sit. It did work previously with the old avatars, but as you know, I had to pull those out. And this is all customizable, this little room. Like you can kind of like decorate your chat spaces and stuff, but I'm specifically here to fix some bugs. Yeah, you have to type move. I did try to get that in an update yesterday, but I ended up breaking things, so. All right, so every couple of seconds, I basically ask YouTube for like all the live chat messages. That's what this fetch messages loop does. But it's essentially making 2 requests, so it's costing me. I'm going to reduce that down to 1. So what I first have to do is just pull out the YouTube live chat ID from the video ID. Yeah. And I did put some instructions in the chat this time. Now we're banging with 2, but just how I like it. I want to keep it low stress tonight. It's going to take me a couple of minutes to basically get back up to speed here. I'm still trying to figure out what's the best category to put this in. I'm more interested in folks that don't want to just like use the live chat, but maybe like are interested in coding their own stuff. Yeah, deliberately. I have the camera off deliberately tonight. The light. Like I do have a light right here, but it's kind of it's not fun for me. Yeah, I'm not a fan of that tonight. That's too much. I just wanted to do some coding. All right, so I'll create a new instance of this library that I coded. Pat. Well, I was setting up the moderation rules for this live chat. I found out that live chat doesn't allow any links, so that's kind of interesting. I think you just like hearing yourself talk tonight, Walter, because you can't sleep. Yeah, it seems all live chats on YouTube don't allow links, so that's good to know. I've seen a lot of people complain on other channels about that. All right. So I store my API key in a end file, so you won't be seeing that tonight, which is good. If you've seen that, you could cause some trouble. Let's see here. So I'm creating a new instance, passing in my API key. I'm going to assign it to a property of this class. That's fine. And then I'm going to ask for the live ID. All right, let's do that. Looks like I already laid out a lot of the code for this. So I'm just going to finalize it. Oh yeah, Walter, don't let me stop you. I was just interacting with you. I'll be playing around with the category and stuff. I can edit all that live, so that's cool. Right. So there's a couple of things we need to do when we want to ask YouTube for the live chat messages. Yeah, no, go for it. And if you got any code questions or try to follow along, that's completely fine too. But the video ID is what I use to ask for the live chat ID. That is different than video ID. I'll get that back, and then a poll for the messages after that in this recursive function. So I'm going to carry on with that. Now we have the live chat ID. I'm just going to pass it into my loop. All right, so put a little bit of gardening on this fetch messages. That's to be a valid live chat ID, valid video ID, and the YouTube interface has to be created in already live. All right, so that gets rid of me having to ask for the live chat ID every single time I'm just trying to pull for new messages. So right there, it just cut my total request down by half, which is very good when you're trying to poll every couple of seconds, because I only have 10,000 requests to work with. You burn through that pretty quickly. Actually, I prefer dependency injection over just reference and properties like that. So let's clean this up a bit. Just type lowercase move space right, and that'll make your character move. All right, Walter, good luck with your sleep journey. Appreciate you hopping on. All right, that should do it. Let's see if you got anything blocking you. It's interesting. It ignored J from Goonies command, but if you want to try again, it should pick that up. Appreciate that, Walter. Oh god. Oh shit. Well, I might have to attempt it. All right, so I just had to delete my YouTube API key. Let's see if it causes a bunch of errors. All right, looks like I'm using another key, so yeah, just accidentally slipped up there. Luckily, I was able to catch that. Brilliant. One of the issues I had was the API request not terminating, even when it ran into an error, say like a terminate the stream. So we fixed that right there. time. All right, that's enough of that. But I was curious what I had to say. Oh, bloody hell. 2:36 a.m. Try and get this wrapped up as soon as I can. Welcome, Newts. Let's see if you're dancing. Let's see. Spawned in yet? Might have to type it again because you don't have a character created. As soon as you type for the first time, it creates a character for you. All right, it is working. So, where's your character? Coding a timeout as well, so anyone that just said something once, they'll drop off. It's getting late, so if you guys are interested in seeing some more, make sure to subscribe. Appreciate that. All right, so this code I'm working in here is directly the code that integrates with YouTube, this API. And I'm just cleaning it up to ensure I'm not blowing them up and getting in trouble. So a wee bit about what's going on here. This is all custom coded, so JavaScript. It's like peer-to-peer, it uses webrtc, a bunch of technologies, but what I'm working on tonight is the YouTube factor. Thought that'd be fun. While I'm here, I may as well do a quick retour. There's all sorts of different rooms that users have created. Any one of those can host a live stream. Like one guy, he literally created the boot of Italy, which is pretty sweet. There's a bunch of stuff built in, like pixel editor. You could draw. The whole idea with that is you'll be able to make items in game. So I'm not very good at drawing, but I coded it. There's also a little keyboard, MIDI keyboard, so you can make music. You can customize your avatar. There's not a ton of options in here yet, but this is what you could do. There's some settings there. You can select your various skills and stuff. It'll match you up with other people. There's a bunch of AI integrations. So when ChatGPT came out, I integrated with that pretty early. This lets you create personalities and stuff for the avatars. So the avatars you see on screen right now are controlled by live chatters and myself. But look, I can create an unbiased archaeologist, click use, and it spawns them into the world. And so he's back there. More of the room stuff. There's a whole chat system. So this is my OBS screen up here. If I click this, let's see. Oh, let me enable it. This is the interface I coded that lets me process YouTube for comments. You can see it's processed a total of 148. You can set some settings like render distance, all sorts of cool stuff. What else we got? There's a catalog, different items you could put in your room. There's OBS back there. This uses webrtc. You can share desktop so that I can hang up. I don't see anymore. There's a feature that replaces the character's face with my face, like in real time. That's what this is up here. Then you can make calls. You can share audio sources. So it lets me like route audio into OBS without having it plugged in like via USB. And same with cameras. Pretty cool. Wrap up what I was working on. Get to bed. Always get to bed too late these days. I think I'm gonna test this on local, see if my changes work. It's basically just to cut down the amount of requests that have been made to YouTube. All right, I'll test this off screen and kick the audio the levels down a bit since it's late. All right, so we have Docker up locally. Take a look. See if I can tail these logs. All right, so you'll see my error logs go off if this doesn't work. Video stream is already active for undefined. Let's see. Oh, we should be doing an OR inverse of this operation. Damn it. All right. Looks like it's rebuilt in my local. So we'll try this again. Oh, it's not on the comments. So this is working in production. These avatars are all live chatters that interacted tonight. However, my goal was, even though it's 3 AM, was to get reduced amount of requests being made to YouTube because I was hitting limits. Basically meaning my code was wrong. Appreciate you, John, giving the system a test tonight. That's brilliant. I'm just about to sign off too. Oh goodness, Bendova's back. Watch yourself, buddy. Yeah, Bendova got it working. John Hip, it might make you wait a day before you can go live with the YouTube. What sort of content are you hoping to do, John Hip? Anyone on the chat, feel free to give them a sub. Gotta help the little creators out. This is Kynto, Kynto. This is what I'm coding. This is what I've built. That's what I'm coding. That's what these streams are. Let's hear it. I did build out AI avatars in here as well, buddy. If you take a quick look at this, let's see. You can attach personalities to avatars. So these are all the ones I created. Let's see what he's. Yeah, not too sure I can help you with that one. But if you want a Linux emulator, I got you. Marcus Aurelius. Or an unbiased archaeologist. I might do another stream, but you gave me an idea at least, is to let the YouTube live chat actually talk to the different AI personalities. I think that'd be cool. Like using like the @ symbol. I don't know. It'd be cool to code it. But I think I'm gonna have to kill this because yeah, I'm sure you would with that. I would subscribe. But I'm about to hop off today. This was stable, so it's up. You can hear it. We can literally conversate. It's cool. I think tomorrow I'll be back, and just keep going, keep developing. Try not piss off YouTube. That's true. That's probably why everyone's so upset about TikTok bans. All right, cheers for hopping on, and thanks for coming back on, Bendova. Love your username. You know what? I'll get in touch with yours and your mom as well, and we'll talk to my girl about it too, okay? I always said anyone misbehaves in the chat, I'll get in touch with them more. Got ways. All right. Cheers, buds. Have a good night.